I am Geoffrey. I'm a math teacher from Malawi. I started my university in 2016, then I graduated in 2020. However, I started teaching mathematics in 2019. Since that time, I've been teaching mathematics up to date. I can proudly say that I have 2 years of teaching experience. So I love my job because I didn't just become a teacher by chance, but it was my choice. So there is a number of reasons why I became a teacher. For example, I love kids, so the teaching career brings me and the kids together. I love every moment with the kids, and another reason is that teaching gives me an opportunity to make positive impact on the society by shaping the next generation. So when I go to class, I don't just go to teach, but also to shape my students in terms of their behaviors, and also I equip my students with creative skills for the betterment of their society. Another reason is that it makes me happy and satisfied. You know, students have goals to achieve. So when I think of being part and parcel of their journey to success, this makes me really happy. Yes, those are some of the reasons why I became a teacher. My hobbies involve reading educational books. These books help me to improve the words, how I can deliver lessons to my students effectively, and also I gain new skills so that the students should get what they deserve from the classroom for their success. I like listening to hip-hop. This is the kind of music which is dominating in our country. So I got used to listen to that kind of music. So I like hip-hop very much. My favorite food is besh barimak, because that is the first Kazakh food I tasted before coming here. So when I was coming here, I was just thinking of besh barimak. So when I think of Kazakh food, besh barimak comes first to my mind. So it just became my favorite food. I haven't visited any place as of now, but I'm planning, like during the holidays, I have to visit Almaty and also Astana to see how beautiful they are. I was also recommended to visit Shymkenti. This is one of the cities where the beauty of Kazakhstan lies. I would have become a medical doctor because both of these careers, teaching and medical field, they are there to serve people. So I like to help people. So had it been that I didn't become a teacher, I would have been a medical doctor so that I can help people. I'm dreaming to become a great mathematician, so I'm working on that. In near future, the world will have to know about me. So I use most of my time to read how great mathematicians became great, so that I can also see where to start from. So my dream is to become a great mathematician. Yeah, because we are surrounded by numbers. Whatever we do, it involves numbers. For example, when you go to the tech shop to buy things, yeah, we deal with money. Money is in the form of numbers. Yeah, sometimes we deal with even this interview is for some minutes. So when we check the time is in the form of numbers. So we are all surrounded by numbers. And also I love numbers. So another reason is that mathematics brings textbooks and theories to life. And even when I'm teaching, I'm able to apply what I teach in real life situation. Students are able to see. Another example is, for example, I'm teaching about the cuboid. So for students to understand, I can just tell them that the room they are in is the example of a cuboid. So we have so many applications, how we can apply mathematical concepts in a real life situation. So this is also what made me to choose mathematics. Mathematics is everywhere. Tea. Music. Ocean. Basketball. Canada. Bill Gates. Yes, like when you want to say hello, you say Salim. Yes, when you want to say I have a nice meal, you say Ashbolsun. Yes, when you want to say I'm sorry. Oh my God. Keshiriniz. Yes, Keshiriniz. Yes, only those words. Goodbye. I forgot. Yes, Sabol or Sabolnos.
Yeah.
Yes.
So okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.